In this episode, I will tell you a little bit about BMW night vision system. Everything that I will tell you and show you in this episode is what I have learned by myself reading BMW Technical Information System, reading information online that was posted there by some other awesome guys, and from my own working experience with this system on these cars. Here on my bench you can see I have two kits. This is Night Vision 1, this is Night Vision 2. Night Vision 1 was mounted from the factory on BMW E series. E60, E65, E17 and so on. Night Vision 2 was mounted on F series, F01, F10, F07 and so on. There is a big difference between these two kits. The Night Vision 2 of course is newer and more performant. For example, on the Night Vision 1 camera, you cannot replace the lens of the camera. Officially, unofficially, if you want, you can disassemble the camera and replace the lens, but you won't find to buy brand new part for this. On Night Vision 2, BMW have made the lens to be replaced. I have learned the lesson from the Night Vision 1. The night vision system on BMW is considered a military device because this system have heat signature. Being a military device, this system is protected by some security codes. The security codes are called FSC. The FSC is generated when this camera is brand new. It's generated after the serial number of the camera and the V number of the car where this camera will end up. And because of that, you cannot generate that FSC code after this process. When this camera is coded on the car and activated with the FSC codes, the camera will be bound with the control unit with the FSC codes and the serial number, and the system, night vision system, will be bound with the car with the VIN number. So in this situation, if you want to make a night vision retrofit on your car, you need to find night vision camera and control unit from the same car because they are bound together. You won't be able to find on the labels of these units some matching codes. The codes are inside of these units, are software. If you will buy the camera from one car and the control unit from other car, you will not be able to make this system work ever. The second-hand camera or the second-hand control unit separated, they have no value. The only value of the camera will be its lens if it's good, and the only value of the control unit will be its case and the board if you will have a control unit bad and the memory good on your control unit. To retrofit night vision on car, you will need the activator. This control unit will make this system to work. Now I will explain you how this system is work. When you will switch on the ignition on your car, the night vision system will ask the CIS about the VIN number, and the CIS will reply with its own VIN. If this system is not from this car, this system will see the differences between the VIN numbers and the system will be disabled. Now the activator will enter in the game. When you will switch on the ignition, the night vision system will ask the CIS about the VIN number, but this time will be asked through this activator. The CIS will respond, but the activator will block its response and will respond in the name of the CIS with the VIN number that this unit wants to hear. And this unit will hear its own VIN number, and in that instance the system will be activated and will work normally. With this control unit on your car, you won't have errors, you won't have nothing to see, you won't see this module on your car. You will see it physically but no in diagnosis or anywhere else, and this won't cause any problems on your car. There is a possibility to build yourself something similar to this with some Arduino. There is an awesome guy out there online that have posted a do-it-yourself Arduino kit that will do exactly this thing. Only that Arduino will be bigger, will have a power supply, will have CAN filters, CAN communication converters and so on. So if you have night vision from factory on your car and somehow you have the camera destroyed, you won't be able to buy only the camera, second hand of course. If you buy brand new camera, the camera will be delivered to you after your VIN number with the FSC code on a compact disc, and you will be able to code that camera on your car and it will work perfectly. But if you want to buy a second-hand system, you will need camera and a module from the same car, and also you need activator, even if you have night vision from factory, because I told you earlier, the system will have a different VIN number. So I think I have told you everything. On Night Vision 1, for example, I have read the content of this control unit. I have found the VIN number inside of this memory that is written in 2 places, but I cannot do anything else. I can change the VIN number, but the VIN number is also written inside of this camera. And the information from this camera, I wasn't able to read it because the information is written inside of the video processor. And I don't have equipment to read and write that processor. So BMW won't generate you a FSC code for your second-hand camera, unfortunately. And these FSC codes are working also as an anti-theft system. Now I will power on this system on my bench. For the night vision, I have a complete retrofit kit here. The wiring from the bumper, the wiring from inside of the car, the hose for the washer system, and the bracket, the support from the front grille. This is for a if01 or if02 with the washer nozzle. The washing system will be activated with the headlight washer system. And also the lens of these systems have heated elements for de-icing in the winter. My first thing, I will need the wiring for the CIS module. This is the ignition switch. I will need the ZGW for communication protocol. So I will need the fiber optic for the CIC module. And I will need the CIC module. Perfect. Next step is to connect all this together. Okay, so this plug is for the CIS module. This here is the ignition switch with the key. This will be connected in the CIS module. Like so. The ZGW is already connected. This one is for the CIC unit. This one from here is for the iDrive controller, I think. This is the OBD connection for diagnosis. I need a video cable, like so. Next step, the fiber optic. This will need to be connected here in the ZGW. I will need to connect all the supplies together. Like so. Next step is to connect the night vision camera. Let me make this cable longer. Perfect. After that I need to connect the wiring from the camera. This is the wiring from the bumper with the wiring from the car, like so. This one will be plugged here. This one here. Next, the white plug, it's with the video signal that will enter here in the CIC module. Here we need the same power supply, 12 volts, will be connected with all the supplies from here, like so. And last step, I need CAN communication. Red to red, red with blue, with red with blue. And last step, I need some instrument clusters to close the fiber optics, like so. And it was great if I will have the iDrive controller, but I don't have it. Next step is to power up my power supply. 13.3 volts is perfect. And now, be careful, plus and minus. The instrument cluster, it's on. Now I need to switch on the ignition. The CIC, it's on. And now, to activate the night vision camera, I will need also to connect here in this installation the light module, because the switch from the dashboard is connected in the light module, and the light module will give the command to the night vision camera. And at this moment I will connect the diagnosis equipment, because in the diagnosis equipment I have an option to calibrate the camera, and when I will enter in that service, the night vision will be on. Now I will take my interface, I will connect it with this car. This is a complete car, almost a complete car. And from ISTA I will find the icon. And now I will connect to this car. The scanning process will take a long time, because ISTA will try to wake up every module that was supposed to be on this car. So I won't make you wait 1 hour to begin the test. Meantime, I have found a controller to get out of these warning messages. Perfect. And finally, I have 99 errors, all the control needs that was supposed to be on this car, but they are not. Okay, now we will go in display fault memories, service functions, driver assistance, night vision electronics, night vision calibration, and you will see now, continue, the night vision, it's on. These marks from the display are because of this display, not from the night vision. And you can see me. You can see the night vision system. It's working. Now you can see me. Don't hit me with the car in the night. The night vision system now it's active because this night vision kit it's originally from this car, and that's why I don't need the activator. And now I will remove the lens. You see the image without the lens and the image with the lens. There is not a big difference. And if I'm able to options, no, I'm not able. I have tried to see if I'm able to adjust the contrast and the light. Let me see. I'll choose the night vision. Yes, and the message after the calibration: in order for the internal software alignment to update itself, a 30 minutes test drive must be performed, or notify the customer that the person recognition will only function after 30 minutes of driving with the activated night vision. Service function finished. And this is the night vision system on BMWs. On newer generation, the system is similar to this. If I said something wrong, please let me know in the comment section down below. If I forget to say something the same, let me know in the comment section down. This is a perfect working system. I will sell this kit with the activator. The E-Series unfortunately is destroyed. The night vision camera is water damaged. The module is from another car. That one will be for testing purposes, experiments and learning. I hope you learned something in this video. If you want to ask me something, the same, use the comment section down below, but please make a question with a short answer. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time, you know the drill. Stay awesome. Bye now.